Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Samsung Galaxy A30 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the paste adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic cartridge tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. While taking out the back cover, be gentle. The fingerprint button is attached to the back cover. Hold the fingerprint button and gently pull out the back cover. Take out the back cover and pull out the fingerprint button plugs by disconnecting the plug. Next, take out the mid-frame by undoing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. And also, make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic cartridge tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and remove the main and LCD flex cables from the body. Next, take out the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Next, place a new battery with adhesive. Next, fasten the main flex and LCD flex by connecting from both ends. Next, secure the battery plug, and then place the mid-frame in the body by securing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. Ensure the clips are fastened before inserting screws. Next, connect and place the fingerprint button. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use P7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.